Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into your Google account and opening Google Calendar. This gives Meet permissions immediately. Once done, click the date and time you want and choose Create. Don't pause to tweak details yet. Make sure your account is allowed to create meetings, especially if using a work or school account, because admins can restrict features. Now enter a clear event title and set the duration. These first steps establish the event shell, so you can add Meet in the next step. Now add Google Meet by clicking the Add Google Meet button. A unique join link appears. This is the core of scheduling for later. Once the link exists, invite guests by entering emails, set notifications so people get reminders, and paste an agenda or attach files for clarity. Make sure to review conferencing permissions. Decide if guests can present and whether recording is allowed. If you want recurring meetings, set the repeat pattern now so the same Meet link persists. Finish by saving the event. Google will email invites automatically, but you can also copy the Meet link and paste it wherever needed. Once saved, test the link in another browser or device to confirm it opens the Meet lobby correctly. This avoids last-minute surprises. If participants can't join, verify the meeting's calendar, guest list, and admin permissions. Sometimes organizational settings block external guests. Finally, if recording or advanced features are required, confirm they are enabled before the scheduled start.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.